Hello everyone once again. Today I don't bring carbon, but plastic. This is my old Garmin Edge 510. I've had this Garmin since 2013, 10 years of intensive use. Although planning to switch to the new 540 in a couple of months, it has always worked well. It is eligible for most of the latest inventions like the Garmin Varia. When I get the new one, my wife will continue to use this one for her workouts. If you notice where the scissors are pointing, the plastic of the mount after these years finally gave in and broke. Today I'm going to show you how I decided to repair this cheaply and through Aliexpress. After some research for solutions, on our Aliexpress I found this option. For only €2.05, or already including shipping costs, it does not reach €5. You can find the link to this piece in the description below the video. How are we going to use this? I'll explain right away. In the meantime, I already received the order. While I open this, if you are enjoying the video, give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, thanks. As you can see, the seller sent the essentials in a bag, the part we are going to use and a key that we won't need. This side of the piece will be glued to the original Garmin mount, and this will be the new mount. The idea is for it to be glued and fitted this way. I've seen other videos where they screwed it together, but I'm afraid of damaging more than I'm going to fix, so I decided to glue it on. Of course I tried to find out which one is the best way to do it. I went to a hardware store and explained the problem, and they advised me to use this Loctite Super Glue 3 for plastics. It is composed of this activator and the glue. This Loctite cost another €6 in this local store, that is, this one comes to a total of €11. Let's start the repair then. I had already given the Garmin a global cleaning. The marks you see are from use and not from dirt. Anyway, let's do one more cleaning with alcohol and let it dry, which will be quick. We are now going to apply the activator. This has to be applied on both sides that are going to be glued. The activator has a hard foam tip and we can see the liquid to be applied in the plastic. So nothing complicated. After applying the activator on both sides, we have to wait 60 seconds. Here, the 60 seconds have passed. Let's fit the applicator into the glue and spread the glue on only one side. I chose to insert the glue into the Garmin itself. We will fit the new piece. Apply some pressure while the glue dries, and I am going to let this rest for 24 hours. It's been 24 hours. It seems to have become quite solid. I've tried to apply some pressure to see if it falls apart, but everything seems okay. Of course, with time we will see. Let's try to fit the Garmin in the bike holder. Everything seems to be okay. I hope I helped someone with the same problem. Goodbye and see you for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.